Hello everyone! Today, we're going to build a unique shelter on a large fallen tree trunk in the heart of nature. This will be an exciting journey, transforming a fallen tree into a cozy and creative space. He starts by clearing the area around the large fallen tree trunk. Small branches and debris are neatly removed, creating a clean and open workspace. He begins using the axe to level the surface of the tree trunk. Each swing is strong and precise, steadily chipping away excess wood. After some focused effort, the trunk's surface becomes smooth and even. Next, he uses a drill to create holes in the tree trunk. With careful and precise movements, he drills evenly spaced and balanced holes on both sides of the trunk. Next, he cuts small, flexible tree trunks, carefully selecting those with the right length and bend to create a solid structure. He then carefully inserts each trunk into the pre-drilled holes in the large tree trunk. Each trunk is fitted precisely and evenly, ensuring a strong connection. These trunks come together to form a sturdy arch, not only shaping the frame of the shelter but also creating a natural dome-like structure, blending seamlessly with the surrounding environment. Next, he begins using small, flexible branches to create a protective frame for the shelter. He carefully selects branches with the right length and natural bend, allowing them to easily form a closed circular shape. He carefully arranges the branches around the shelter, ensuring that each branch is placed exactly where it needs to be, making the structure even and sturdy. Once the branches are in place, he uses strong string to tie them together. Each loop of string is tightly wound and secured to ensure the branches stay in place. As all the branches are tied, a solid circle forms, completely surrounding the shelter. This structure not only strengthens the shelter frame but also creates a natural protective layer, shielding it from wind, rain, and nearby animals. This circle of branches adds a natural beauty, blending seamlessly with the surrounding environment and creating a unique living space close to nature. Now, he cuts off the excess ends of the branches, making the circular frame neater, more uniform, and aesthetically pleasing. He uses branches to form a circle around the door, creating a sturdy door frame. After positioning the branches precisely, he ties them together with strong string, ensuring the frame remains stable and secure. With each careful move, he adjusts the branches so that they are tightly bound, forming a perfect circle, ensuring the strength of the door frame. Next, he begins making the door, meticulously measuring and cutting the wooden planks to fit snugly within the completed frame. After cutting the wooden planks, he assembles them one by one, placing them securely and evenly, creating a complete door. The door not only has an attractive appearance but also guarantees strength and durability. Every step he takes is done with great care to ensure that the door is not only aesthetically pleasing but also perfectly suited and strong enough for the shelter's structure. He begins this important process by mixing mud and dry grass together to create a natural mixture that is both durable and easy to work with. To ensure the mixture's strength, he selects mud with the right consistency and moisture content, then mixes it thoroughly with dry grass at a standard ratio of 3 parts mud to 1 part grass. The grass not only helps the mixture adhere better but also reinforces the durability, ensuring that this protective layer remains strong over time. Once the mixture has the right moisture level, he starts applying it to the shelter's walls. The process of applying this mud and grass mixture to the shelter is not only about reinforcing the structure but also about creating a natural insulation layer that protects the interior from temperature fluctuations outside. Each layer of mud is applied carefully, not just to create a smooth surface, but also to ensure that the material is thick and strong enough to withstand rain and wind. Thanks to the dry grass mixed in, the protective layer not only has insulation properties but also helps moisture evaporate, preventing mold growth and ensuring a comfortable, safe living space. This mixture is not only effective in terms of materials but is also very environmentally friendly. Using mud and dry grass is a sustainable building solution, utilizing readily available natural resources. This method is especially suited for construction in wilderness areas, where finding other building materials can be challenging. He continues to apply more layers of this mixture, helping to protect the shelter from harsh weather conditions while creating a completely natural living space, closely connected with the surrounding nature. Next, vegetation is used to cover the shelter. This layer not only blends the shelter with nature but also protects it from wind, rain, and temperature changes. The vegetation also acts as natural insulation, keeping the interior cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Each layer of vegetation is applied securely, creating a protective and aesthetically pleasing natural layer. Using dry grass to make a cushion for the shelter, creating a soft surface and natural insulation, helping to keep warm during cold weather. Installing the stove inside the shelter, he begins by carefully placing each part in position, ensuring the stove is securely fixed and stable. Each component of the stove is tightly connected, forming a neat yet fully functional kitchen space that meets all cooking needs. In addition to its primary function of cooking, the stove also provides the necessary warmth for the shelter, making the space more comfortable and safe, especially during cold days. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this unique shelter building project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next videos. See you in the next one.